Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here we got a freight here at the curve, the Atwater Curve, around 7:40 p.m. And that's an old bell, not an E-bell, from a C44-9W. And a lot of gondolas on this train. Coil steel. The 24th of July, 2026. It's been a long time since I've been there. Hey, check it out. You can see the lights from the ballpark. Argenson Park. The lights are on.
Hey, Greg, I think this train might be coming from Alpine.
Yeah. And this ends up going towards Dorval. I've seen this train pass through Dorval. No, there's this one train that always goes by with all these gonds.
Really old ones.
Oh, here's some tanker cars. It's a squealy one. It's a squealer. She's a squealer.
Maybe there'll be another squealer.
Yeah.
Going east.
Yeah, it's a big block of tanks. Some more gonds.
Oh, really old ones.
Now we got hoppers. I think one of them was an old Chicago and Northwestern hopper.
See, we would have stepped away, we would have missed it.
Exactly.
Only you had to wait more than that. We will see Homer Simpson maybe.
Yeah. We'd love to see that.
Here's a bit of wildfire smoke that you don't see in the air. It's not as bright as it should be.
What's that, a speeding motorcycle?
Man, I killed the sun so much, I hope I didn't damage the sensor.
Yeah, that's something you gotta worry about, man.
Right?
That's something you gotta think about.
Well, this camera seems to be a lot more resilient than
Yeah.
the last camera.
I think the newer cameras are better, but you still don't want to test that.
You see that blue boxcar? That might be a next Pan Am railway car.
No, I don't think so. I think it's probably GATX or something. The Pan Am boxcars, you can tell. That's the end. There's a flashing light at the end, the Fred. No caboose, too bad. I prefer the caboose, of course. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal as I leave you from the Atwater Curve. Have a good day.